Hi guys, it's after 9 o'clock on Friday night, and look what came today. And it just goes on and on and on. He said it's not that long. He said that there's styrofoam and stuff. Yeah, and that shows some stuff that it's got, but it's probably also in the manual, which I already have downloaded the manual back when I decided to get this. Is that your buck knife?
Yep.
He even picks his teeth with that, don't you, dear?
Hey. Just chewing on the end of the box.
Maisie, get out of there.
You don't need the help.
No. Oh, Maisie. Are you going to need me to do something? Like hold?
There's a very first hunk of styrofoam.
Okay. I built a wall up there, so we're just using all that for storage up there. Oh, that's not very heavy. Are you going to want... Okay, I'll let you just guide it to what you're going to do. I love his muscles.
Parts.
Parts is parts.
Amazing. Good stuff, well.
It's the same music stand I think I have for one of the other keyboards. I have a pedal. Whoops, I'm not even showing. I have a pedal that I'll just swap because I won't be able to play them both at once. So just move it back and forth. There, Phoebe. We did laundry at the house today, so. This styrofoam sack will make good and for the winter time somewhere.
Whoops. Strong tape.
Ah. It looks pretty light. Doesn't look awful heavy. Looks like a Yamaha, but longer. This is what, my fourth Yamaha I've had? 9,000 to 413. Wow, that is freaking long. Maisie, you're in the light. Yeah, I'll have to. I'm not crazy about when they do that on the top. It looks like a cheap kid's keyboard. But whatever. Since my other one is taking a stand.
We're going to have one big cardboard fire.
Yep.
Ooh.
I'll take pictures of the box before we burn it up. Okay, guys, I'm going to pause you for a minute while I get this on, get it plugged in, and then we'll test it. Okay, guys, it's all set up. Got it plugged in. Got the foot pedal. Now we're going to see how it sounds. These are 12-watt speakers, and I think my others are only 6 or 8. So those speakers might be great. That looks like a power button. And she's coming on. That screen looks like the 413 screen. It is. It's just like the 413. This is like going home. We love those computers.
Keyboard.
Keyboards? Okay. Wow. I'm looking at stuff. I have no idea. It's ready. Pete just took a picture of Maisie watching. You're a funny girl. Chewy's over there with Pete because it's something new.
Well, this is his spot now.
That's his spot. Yeah, He backs right up in there, doesn't he?
Yep, he does.
Okay. Now, where can I set this? Let's see.
If you had a rudimentary lathe, or maybe, I don't know, maybe a music stand or something. Or maybe a husband that could just hold the thing for you.
Okay, just be, careful right in this area. Yeah. What should be my first song? Let's see, I'll just grab a book so I can play a whole song. And it's just going to be the piano. It's not going to be any voices or beats or anything because nothing's set up, obviously. So. Cool. Sounds just like a piano, doesn't it?
Yep.
Okay, guys, so there it is. You heard it here first, right along with us. I'll have to play with it and figure out all the stuff, but it's got a grand button like the 413 did. I could just hit that and it would, no matter what I was doing, it would just go to grand piano. Yep. I missed that. I don't know. I've missed that a lot. So that's got that. I'm pretty excited about this, actually, now that I'm seeing it and I'm seeing what all it's got. And also it's got these control buttons over here that the 413s had for live control. And I missed that. We also, I can also record directly to USB with this too. So that's exciting. But look at all these freaking keys. 76 keys. The other one only has 61. So it's a huge difference, over an octave difference. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and play around with this a little bit. And then, I'll see you later. Take care. God bless. Have a great weekend and good night.